in pictures that lead us in lines. Somehow this life means more than I thought it could mean. When I only have you, then I have everything.
Tawa mo sa
You're in my heart, you're in my bones, you're part of me. It's chemical. Don't ask me why, 'cause I don't know. You're part of me. It's chemical. 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 It's chemical.
Legit. Naghihingalo na daw yung phone ko eh. Tagal na eh.
You're in my heart.
So cheers to love that lasts, love that grows, and love that reflects God's love for us. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Pagpalain lagi kayo ng Diyos.
tuwing nakikita ko yung Singsing, naiiyak ako kasi nasasabi ko, sa wakas, nagtagumpay rin ako sa buhay.
Noong una pa lang, sabi ko pag naging tayo, sigurado yung relasyon natin magulo.
I've been searching my whole life for you.
Oh! Good! Very practical. Thank you kasi alam ko na hindi lang ikaw yung nag-effort para bigyan ako ng gift. Lahat ng nandito. Thank you po.
You brought me to a place I never knew.
Sa ating na taon ng pagmamahal mong hindi masukat. Yes. Simulat sa pool hanggang ngayon, hindi mo ko iniwan. Walang makatitibag mo.
Led me straight to
So today, we are here not just to witness a wedding, but to celebrate love. The kind of love that is patient, kind, and faithful.
I jump back into every memory.
Ray Lloyd at Edeline, ngayong araw, hindi lang kayo mag-aaido sa isa't isa. You are also saying, I choose you every day, no matter what.
There's nowhere.
Malubak man nag-umpisa pero nandun na tayo. Sigurado na ako at nangangakong ikaw lagi ang titilin. Sana namang mga nakasilaw na ningning sa buhay. Ang pagmamahal sa iyo ang palaging may silbing liwanag para sa alam mahal kita. Love you.
Straight to
And now, you may kiss your bride.